Alright, so now discussing covariance, I can use similar data. So what I'm doing here is I've got X and Y data. So X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For Y data, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll then copy the data, and then I'm going to paste and transpose it below to demonstrate the two ways to do this. So for the first one here, covariance input range would be A1 colon B6. Group by columns, labels in the first row, output range will be in H1. And you see the results here. Note that it will not complete the matrix, it will just do it diagonally and below. So there's the covariance of XY is -2. So to complete the matrix, let's set that equal there. If I want to do this based on the row data, this will be from A8 to F9, rows, labels in the first row, and then I'll put this data in L1. And going over here, you see that it gives you the exact same result.